Good morning. Happy Friday. I hope you had a great week. My name is Corinne. I'll be your host for Quest Bites today. I am live in my living room fort because we are going to be talking about architecture today. But first, let's play Spot the Quapple. I'll put 30 seconds on the clock for you to find the Quapple logo in this picture. The Quapple, of course, is our education logo in the bottom left corner. That's not the one you're looking for, though, with the Quest Q in it. About 15 seconds left. Let me know if you find it. Let me know if you're here today watching. About 5 seconds left. Did you find it? And the answer, it was over there on that chair. That is a pretty impressive fort they have going on there. Mine is not nearly as impressive, but I am joining you from my living room fort today because we're going to be talking about architecture and building the best fort you can. So there's three main things that you will need when you build a house or a fort, and that's a strong foundation, sturdy walls, and a solid roof. So for my fort structure here, my foundation is my floor, and that's my dog Charlie. She was very interested in the fort making process. My walls are my chairs, which are very sturdy. And then my roof is my blankets, which wouldn't keep out water or be a very good roof for a house, but they're enough for my fort because it's water protected by my real roof. But there's other things you need when you're building a house or a fort, and that's anchors. If I simply threw my blankets over my chair, that would work, but it's not nearly as strong as if I put clips on the chair or something to hold the blankets up. In architecture, there are several different anchors. Do you know of any? A few are nails or screws. Cement and steel bars are all things that can hold and secure building structures. There's plenty others. If you know any more, let me know in the comments. But what all would need to be anchored in your house? Well, for starters, the walls to the floor, the walls to the ceiling, the drywall that's put onto your walls. Practically everything in your house has to be anchored down. Could you guess how many anchors that would take for your whole house? A lot. But that's what builds a strong house that you can live in and feel safe. It kind of makes you look at your walls differently when you think of what's holding it all together on the inside. Well, I hope you learned something today. And I know that you guys can go out and build a much better fort than this. So I encourage you to do that and send us some pictures of the forts that you make today. I hope you join us for Magic Mondays. We're going to learn how to make ice levitate. Have a great weekend. And until next time, continue onward in your quest for knowledge. And thanks for watching.